Hello, we are so back, and it is a quick one again. We've got two things to talk about. Apologies if I sound a little sick. I am a little sick. So, again, links are below for the My Mini Factory tribe. So we've got, I think, maybe the last of the Tollenmeren stuff for this month, at least, because it seems like Tollenmeren was January, and then next month will be these animals from Tolmor, and then various other things. I don't know if it will be related to these two regions or what. But either way, Tolomeren, Recoilless Gun and Crew. Two versions. I had to go to the Reddit to find the other version. I don't know how to. Maybe if I subscribe to the tribe, then it'll show me the other one. But either way, I'll show that in a second. But I really like this. It reminds me of the Royalist RCO gun, but that's more like automated almost. It still has two guys operating it, but this one is like I really like this, like hand loaded shells, and he's got more in his pouch, just really nice. And yeah, the other thing is 9 month loyalty rewards. So I feel like if you, uh, you know, join the rifle category and subscribe for 9 months, because it's not been, this website hasn't been up for this long. The My Mini Factory Quar aspect. So either way, 9 months. I don't know if in a row or like you can do it non-consecutively, but just a nice civilian with a tray of moth cakes. You know, Quar, they love eating insects. Yum yum yum, tasty moth cakes. I like this as well. I don't know what you'd use it for. Just paint it up, I guess. I don't know. Then what else are we looking at? The alternate sculpt. So here's the alternate sculpt for this, yeah, the same thing. I prefer the other, I think, because they're like hand loading it, and also like I don't know, maybe you'd interchange it if you give them the same heads. You could interchange it each time they were gonna fire the gun, because otherwise it's like it just looks like they're running away constantly. I guess if they're gobsmacked, maybe switch to this one. I still like it though, but either way, I think yeah, very nice sculpt. Again, it's on the tribe for 3D printing, so I will not be getting my hand on these bad boys. And I don't know. Again, I don't know where the rules are for these, if they exist. If you just use them for like a default, I guess you could use them in place of the RCO gun, since you can use them for royalists. But I don't know if the Crusaders have an alternative. Either way, I'll see you later. Goodbye for now.